Hello, it's Keith here, and I'm here to cover the radiator recovery tube connector repair. These little plastic pieces break, and when that happens, you just end up buying a radiator. That doesn't always have to be the case, and that's what I want to show today. So I had one come in like this just recently, and what it amounted to was that little tube had broken off, but there was enough room that I could get a piece that was just about like this with a 1/8 inch pipe thread on the other end. And so what I did is I made sure it was flat where the breakage occurred, and then I drilled a hole, and in a 1/8 inch pipe thread you need a drill bit, which is a 21/64 drill bit. Now I found it best to drill that hole by hand because that plastic is a little bit brittle, or it wouldn't have broken in the first place. So that's what I did. In that particular one, I had a piece that was just like this, and I drilled the hole for 21/64, and then I took my 1/8 inch pipe thread tap, and I went into the hole and tapped it out, again by hand. So what you have then is a nice clean thread to thread this piece into. Now, let's just say that you didn't have enough room to get a 1/8 inch pipe thread. The other alternative is to take a 5/16 steel tubing for brake lines that's got a flare on the end of it. Go ahead and get rid of the nut, or if it's just a piece of tubing, you can put it in the flare tool and flare this on the end of it so that the hose will get a good connection and the clamp will keep it from sliding off. But on the other end, I got it long enough so that I could put it in a vise, and in the vise it's going to mash it just a little bit. You're trying to turn the tap on it in order to put the threads on it. It's okay if you leave your tubing just long enough that you can afford to mash a little bit of the middle in, and then you can turn it a quarter turn when you're finished and mash it back so that it'll have plenty of flow through it. But what I did was I tapped these 9mm 1.00 threads on this piece of steel line. And this steel line is a considerably smaller diameter, as you can see here, than the 1/8 inch pipe thread. So it gives you a little more room to work with if there's not enough surface there. So that's the other alternative. Either one of these, this is probably something you'll probably have laying around the shop anyway, this piece of steel brake tubing, and that way you won't have to go out and hunt all over to find one of these fittings with the 1/8 inch pipe thread. However, you can probably find these at Lowe's in their bins, or a lot of part stores have brass fittings, so you can have them to get you a 1/8 inch pipe thread fitting that either is 5/16, 3/8, whatever size that needs to go inside the tubing that goes back for the radiator recovery hose. So there you have it. That's a pretty simple fix. It's something that you probably already have if you have any brass fittings. If you've been working any length of time and saved any parts, you may already. I happened to already have one the other day when that occurred. So that's what I've got, and that's how I fixed it, and you can do it too. So there you go. I hope you'll have a blessed day. If you wouldn't mind, please click the like button and the subscribe button and the bell. If you wouldn't mind, I'd appreciate it. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.